Cool, what's that word?
Zach.
What's that word?
Had
Very good, Jada.
a fan.
Very good. You read that almost without even sounding anything out.
It's like
Very good. Zach had a fan. Now let's go to the next page. Sound it out.
it.
TH makes a what sound?
The.
Okay, go ahead. What more was this?
Ants.
Wait.
Rat.
Sound it out.
Ran.
Very good.
And
Very good. And then what's this word?
run.
Oh, sound it out.
Ran.
Very good, Jada.
That's what he says.
The ants ran and ran. You're reading all by yourself. So proud of you.